You're welcome back to my channel. This is Tim's tutorial. Today we'll be looking at how to solve simultaneous equations using Crammer's rule. But don't forget to like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Let us look at this example. Given that 3x minus 4y equals 10 and 2x plus 3y equals 1, find the values of x and y. We write solution. We have 3x minus 4y equals 10. This is equation 1. And 2x plus 3y equals 1. This is equation 2. Remember that the formula we are using to get the values of our x and y is Crammer's rule. That's the formula we are using. So what we do here is we are going to close this. We are going to write out the coefficients of x and y in the two equations. So we write out the coefficients of x and y as our determinants. That is, you can call this d naught equals, when you are finding determinant, you have your two lines drawn, 3, -4, 2, then 3. So d naught, which represents the determinant of x and y. So we multiply this 3 by this 3. This will multiply this. This is called the leading diagonal. That's 3 times 3. Then minus, open bracket, the product of the second diagonal, which is 2 multiplied by -4. 2 times -4. This is going to give us 9 minus, open bracket, minus 8. So that our d naught equals 9 plus 8, and that will give us 17. So d naught equals to 17. That is, the determinant of x and y is equal to 17. So we look for determinant of x only. So we are going to write that as dx, determinant of x. So to get determinant of x, we have our line. So this is x. This is the column for x. We are going to close this column. We close this column and replace it with 10 and 1. So I'm going to put 10 and 1 here. So that means we are going to have 10, 1, -4, then 3. So that our ds now equals to the product of this, that's 10 times 3, minus the product of 1 and -4, that's 1 times -4. So that ds, determinant of x, equals to 30 minus, open bracket, minus 4, equals to 30 plus 4, and this will give us 34. So determinant of x now is 34. We also look for the determinant of y, that is dy, determinant of y. We draw our lines. So to get determinant of y, we are going to close the column for y. We close this column, and replace it with 10 and 1. So that means I'm going to have 3, 2, 10, and 1, because I have closed this column. So dy, determinant of y, equals 3 multiplied by 1, 3 times 1, minus 2 multiplied by 10. And this will give us 3 minus 20. So determinant of y equals minus 17. Therefore, so we now want to get the value of our x. Now, we say that x will be equal to determinant of x over the determinant of x and y, which is what I call d naught. And that will be equal to, determinant of x is 34, all over determinant of x and y, which is d naught. I call that, what's that? 17. So by the time we divide, we get 2. So we also find the the determinant of, we are also going to get the value of y. Also, y will be equal to determinant of y over determinant of x and y, which is d naught. And that will become determinant of y, that is negative 17, over determinant of x and y, that is that's 17. So by the time we divide, we are going to get negative 1. Therefore, so our x equals 2 and y equals negative 1. So when you are solving simultaneous equation, you can use Crammer's rule as well to get your answer. Thank you for watching this video.